This here is a model of our expansion bolts with working nuts, working jack bolts, and as you can see, the sleeve will actually expand. We've had the 3D printer here for about 3 months. It's designed to 3D print things in plastic that we can send to the customer instead of manufacturing a metal part. Some of the other advantages are rapid prototyping for research and development. We can confirm that parts will fit together, will work together before we actually put raw material to them. Right now we are printing half of a split nut. As the program starts, the unit will heat up. It takes a plastic resin, it heats it up and melts it. The plastic will deposit onto the surface and it will raise up, creating layer by layer to build the part. Here we have a model of the Superbolt Versatite. We have our hydraulic port, we have working jack bolts, and if you take it apart, we actually still have the seals inside of it.